Ladies and gentlemen, this is a special Cool Zone moment. We are at the Wild Kanji. Me and my kid, she's already ordered her little Japanese refreshment. I got myself a club soda with lemon, and stay tuned. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see right here, this is my octopus. It is going to be interesting. And over here, this is my squid glazed in teriyaki sauce. And over here we have what? That shrimp tempura or whatever. And we got soup like an onion ring there. We got some sauce.
And whatever that is.
And some goodies right there, which we have no idea. But we're about to find out what this is all about. Stay tuned. Alright, folks. We are going to see what this octopus right here is all about. Alright, here we go. Amazing. Really good. Alright, next, we're gonna do the squid right here. Squid is gonna be dope. Let's see what we got. So my kid wants to try my squid. Go ahead, grab one. Let's see how she reacts. Yep, she liked it. It's not bad, folks. It's actually really good. This is my second time having it, and I enjoy it. And this octopus is amazing. I definitely recommend it. Folks, Lily wants to try my octopus, so I'm gonna give my kid my last piece, and we're going to see how she reacts towards it. Let's go. Oh, she's gonna be fancy with the, oh, better not drop it on that table, kid.
It tastes like cold turkey.
Cold turkey, she says. That disrespects the octopus's whole origin.
No, it tastes like, it feels like cold turkey.
It feels like cold turkey, folks. But how's the taste?
It's good.
You heard it.
It's sweet.
All right. There you go. And these are her chicken wings. They're gonna be amazing as well. Just might be ketchup.
Nothing ketchup.
Let me show you how I make your body